In this video, I'm going to show you how to share live location in WhatsApp. So for us to get this done, it's actually going to be very simple. So you can just go ahead and open where you want to send this. And say, for example, this particular message here, I'm just going to tap the paperclip icon down below. And then you should be able to access location. So just go ahead and click that one. Now, there are two ways in order for us to send location here. You can just go ahead and click this one here, but this is only your current location and it's not live, meaning if you move, you will not be able to see the movements. However, if you're going to click this one right here, click continue, basically you will be able to share the location. So if you move, say for example, you travel, you ride a motorcycle or car, this is also going to move. So depending on where you are, it is going to follow your location. So just go ahead and choose how long you'd like it to be shared. So 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. Say for example 1 hour, I can just go ahead and click this one right here, and you can see that now we are sharing a location. And it says here it's live until 10:48. And yep, that is how you're going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.